Good morning and welcome to your daily operations weather briefing. Well, this stretch of mild conditions continues as we wake up to temperatures already in the 60s this morning. We're going to continue to see those warm conditions through the remainder of the day and through the remainder of the work week, with a little bit of a cooler day in store for us on Saturday. But all in all, a pretty warm stretch of weather coming over the next several days. Looking at the current surface analysis, you can see that frontal boundary has moved off to our north and will provide us with a southeasterly flow today, which will bring in those mild temperatures once again for us, with temperatures rising into the 70s today, and we're going to see unseasonably warm conditions continuing into the day tomorrow as well. Looking at our satellite radar composite, you can see plenty of cloudiness out there this morning. A little bit of precipitation showing up on radar, but none of that is actually hitting the ground this morning, drying up before it actually reaches the surface. We are going to continue to see mid and high level cloudiness throughout most of the day today, with a little bit of decrease in those clouds as we go into the later afternoon hours. So currently out there, we've got a few clouds right around the 1,000 foot level offshore this morning, a broken deck at 16,000 feet with unrestricted visibilities as winds very light out of the west at 3 knots, 60 degrees, and 100% humidity. Looking at the next 24 hours, you can see those mostly cloudy skies will become partly cloudy later this afternoon, and see those temperatures rising into the mid 70s, 75 degrees, the daytime high expected today. Then we'll cool down into the 50s tonight with a chance of some patchy fog after midnight, getting down to an overnight low temperature of 56. And again, those winds are going to be light all day long today. Our highest wind speeds expected should be in the afternoon out of the southeast at 4 to 8 knots, and then dying down to around 3 to 6 knots, may even become calm at times overnight tonight as that patchy fog settles into the region. Looking at the patchy fog potential after midnight tonight, lasting until about 8 o'clock in the morning. Again, could see those visibilities restricted to around a mile or less in times of patchy fog as that settles into the area during the early morning hours. Looking at the forecast for Friday and for Saturday, another warm day in store for us on Friday with a daytime high of 76. We'll have a chance of patchy fog early in the morning. Otherwise, it'll be partly cloudy and very nice out there. Very warm with temperatures well above average for this time of year. Maxing out at 76 for Friday, and then overnight Friday night we'll see a disturbance start to move toward the Wallops region. It's going to be a very weak disturbance, so any kind of precipitation we get out of this should be fairly light in nature. We'll see a slight chance of a few light rain showers after midnight Friday with a low of 56. And then for Saturday, expect cloudy and cooler conditions. We'll see onshore winds keeping our temperatures down, cooler on Saturday than what we'll see over the next couple of days. Daytime high temperature expected of 64 degrees. We'll see cloudy conditions with a chance of a few light rain showers. That'll wrap it up for the 8:15 daily operations forecast. We'll be back at 10 a.m. for your look at your extended forecast. Have a nice morning.